The typically made Nigerian egg and yam sauce. Try this and you won't regret. Very delicious. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be cooking Nigerian egg and yam sauce. The following are the things I'll be using for this recipe. I have sliced tomatoes, sliced onions, sliced paprika, and I'll also be using the sliced onion leaves. So without taking much of your time, let's dive straight into the video. As you can see, I already sliced the tomatoes, the onions, the leeks. Everything has been sliced to make our work very easy. I already went ahead and peeled my yams, then set it into the pot. We'll be adding about 2 bowls of water, which is about 1 liter. Then I'm also going to add in half teaspoon of salt. Allow your yam to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, not forgetting to be checking on it from time to time, because sometimes the yams can get cooked quickly, while in some cases it takes longer time. It also depends on the type of yams. So just cook and check if the yams are ready. I'm going to allow my yam to cook. Then while preparing for my egg sauce, so I'll be cooking the two side by side to make our work very quick and easy. It has been a very long day. Just came back very tired, so I'm rushing this cooking. Hungry and I want to eat shortly. So I'll go in and put my oil into my pan. Allow it to be a little bit hot. Add in my sliced onions. Stir fry them. When they are a bit brownish, or when I feel okay with them, I will go ahead and add in my sliced tomatoes. Just stir fry so that your onion should not get burnt. Until you are satisfied with the result, then you go ahead and put in your sliced tomatoes. I'm also going to allow these tomatoes to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes until you are satisfied that there is no more water from the tomato, that the tomato is well cooked. Then I will add in my white pepper, my garlic powder. I'm also going to add in a little bit of black pepper, but that is optional. After that, I'm also going to mix everything, allow it to cook until I'm satisfied with the result, or until there is no more water coming out from the tomato. Then you are sure your tomatoes are ready. Stir everything together. Also checking on my yam from time to time. I'm also going to add in the Maggi cube. Stir everything again together as I'm doing. Allow it to cook for some time. Add in my salt to make everything sweet and tasty. Continue stirring until I'm sure and satisfied that my tomatoes are well cooked. Everything is well cooked. The onions, everything. Then I will go ahead and add in my paprika. I do not want the paprika to overcook, so that's why I'm adding it after the tomato has been well cooked. As you can see, I would stir the paprika together with the tomato, combine them together, stir fry again for about 2 minutes. Then we'll then get my eggs ready. Our yam is still cooking. Now at this point, I'm going to add in my eggs. Continue stirring. I do not want the eggs to get burned. So you can see I will just keep on stirring and mixing everything together until the eggs are well mixed and I'm satisfied with the result. Just go ahead and keep stirring them, guys. Remember, we are eating healthy. We do not want a lot of oil. So we'll make everything just as healthy as we can. Keep stirring. When the eggs are ready, you are going to see that the color and the mixture and the texture, everything has changed. Like you see here, it's almost getting ready. I'll just continue to mix. I want it very crumble and free from burnt. So when I'm sure my eggs are ready, I'm going to add in the sliced leeks. Just mix them again for like a minute. Then I'm sure to go with my yam and egg sauce. This food is one of the most popular food in Nigeria. If you have not tried it, I recommend you try it. It is something that is very delicious. The first time I tried it from a Nigerian friend, I was very pleased. So from then, I've been cooking it from time to time. As you can see, our egg sauce is ready, guys. Join me and enjoy this delicious food from Nigeria. This food is very delicious. It takes you less than 10 minutes to get this all done. Why not go ahead and try this with your loved ones? And also feel free to leave your comment in the comment section down below. Please do us a favor by hitting the subscribe button on your way out. And do not forget to like and share our video to your friends and loved ones. We love you all. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Till we meet again in my next upload. Bye-bye.